Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mitha Meylina Damopolii and I'm from English Education Department of IAIN Manado, 6th semester. Now I'm going to teach about teaching grammar and teaching vocabulary. First is definition of teaching grammar. Grammar of language rules are patterns and rules that must be followed if we want to be learned language correctly. The term for the first language component. This component is a language framework that must be followed so that the language can be well received. A language is said to be good if it complies with or follows the rules or grammar that applies that language. First is definition of teaching grammar. Definition of grammar is grammar of language rules are patterns and rules that must be followed if we want to be learn a language correctly. The term from the first language component. This component is a language framework that must be followed so that the language can be well received. A language is said to be good if it complies with or follows the rules or grammar that applies to that language. Teaching techniques of grammar. First is communication techniques. Communication techniques in learning are how to convey message on learning materials and how to develop dialogues between teacher and students or fellow students effectively. This is related to packaging, shipping, media, interference, acceptance, interpretation, impact, and feedback. Second is learning management techniques. Learning management techniques related to planning, organizing, implementing, and evaluating learning. Next is teaching vocabulary. Definition of vocabulary is a set of words that are owned by someone or are part of a certain language. A person's vocabulary defines as a set of all the words understood by this person to compose a new sentence. A person's general vocabulary is described to his intelligence or level of education. From the resolution of the vocabulary above, it can be concluded that the vocabulary is a collection of words or phrases arranged sequentially and translated. The importance of learning vocabulary. To importance of studying vocabulary, there are differences of opinion regarding vocabulary lessons. These principles include encouraging vocabulary, interpreting new vocabulary, providing new vocabulary, increasing understanding, helping to understand meaning, using various techniques, and encouraging the use of independent learning strategies. And the last is strategies can be used to help young people learn vocabulary. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.